everybody. Debra here, Bandit here, Frugal RV Gal there, Samantha Josephine there, aka Sammy, Sam, Samantha, Joe, Sammy Joe, Sam. We are headed into town for my last meetup of the year. This is being filmed on the 27th. And we are meeting at Gringo's 11 to 1, and I'm so looking forward to seeing who all is here. Last year we met at Gringo's on the 28th, and this year it's on the 27th. So I might have to start it being an annual tradition, we'll see. Anyway, let's go meet up at Gringo's. Gringos, and Gringas. Cheryl and Judy.
Another Debra meetup.
Last one of the year. Gringos. There is the aisle down to K&B and the grocery store on the right. And here we are at Gringo's. Woohoo! Hi guys. Oh gosh, they're already here. Lisa and Barb and Connie. I haven't seen Connie all year.
So glad to be here.
We're glad. I'm glad to see you. We missed you at KOKO Fest, and I know something came up for you, but I'm so glad you're here. What did they get? What'd y'all get?
I got a pork quesadilla and an order of refried beans.
Box Van D, are you asking for some of my books?
I am.
You are such a blessing.
I have to have your autograph.
You betcha, darling. Whatever you want. Okay, Lisa, what are you drinking? What are you drinking and eating?
Cola and chips and salsa. And a chimichanga, a pork chimichanga, and it is delicious.
Awesomeness. Really Looky who's in the house. The Dan Van.
And Frugal RV Gal.
And Frugal RV Gal.
Always in the house.
She's always in the house.
True statement.
She is the house.
True
She's
statement.
everything. It's good to see you.
Good to see you.
What are you
Glad
out
to
and
be
about
here.
doing today?
I'd like to make a special trip here just for you.
Oh, how sweet. All right, everybody, this is my friend Judy. Y'all always hear me refer to her as Judy Val because
My husband bought a vowel.
that's it right there. Her husband bought a Val. And how long have we known each other?
4 years.
Yeah, I think 4 or 5 years. Awesomeness. And
I
you
met you at the dump station.
she came up to my window and we hit it off, and then you came to my mini meetup in Pro, and you've been to KOKO Fest a bunch, and we go way back, and she's one of my moderators, so y'all give her some love. Okay, everybody, this is my friend Connie. My hair. And I love Connie. She has been to my KOKO Fest, and she's a KOKO Fam member, and she just got back from, well, not just got back, but she went to Alaska and was a work camper up there, very remote for the summer.
Yep,
and
for
so
4.5 months.
yeah, so she and the Dan Van have been visiting about Alaska, and just so glad that you're here today.
Oh, thank you for inviting me. I
Thank
love it when
you.
we get together.
Yeah, me too. Not enough, not often
that's
enough.
right.
This is my dear friend Cheryl, also known as Pup Camper 58. If y'all are ever on my Friday night lives, you know her because she's just the moderator extraordinaire.
I'm the one that blocks everybody accidentally.
That would be me. But between the two of us, we do a good job of that.
Yeah.
So we first met when you came to my meetup at Rice Ranch. I hope y'all can hear me. It's really loud in here. But and at that time we would do vendor walks, and Dan too, and we would come down here to the vendors. They're not open now. It's so weird. It's so weird. But we also go way back.
We do. I love Debra.
Yeah, and I love Cheryl. So this is fun today but y'all know her because she's in a lot of my videos, and we hang out, and we're gonna go do something fun next week. I'm not gonna tell them what though.
It's a secret.
Yeah, we're gonna have fun.
It's a secret.
You'll see it, but we're not gonna.
Your videos.
Yeah, we're not gonna tell you. But Cheryl and I are gonna go get in trouble together.
It's gonna be fun.
So this is my friend Lisa, another one of my moderators, and that is not your dog.
No,
No?
no. It's Kim's dog.
It's
Kim's dog. But
And y'all
Kim
were-
wanted to eat, you see.
Yeah, y'all will meet Kimmy in a minute.
Yeah.
But Lisa took the dog, and a while ago she was walking out with the
Yeah.
puppy, and I said, "What are you doing?" She goes, "I'm stealing the dog." I'm like, "You may need to be a little more stealth."
She was right.
Look the puppy. You want to say hi? You want to say hi? Say hi to the camera. You say hi? You are so cute.
sweetie.
You are so cute. Oh my God. Okay, you guys. So Barb walks up and she goes, "I'm always barging in on you guys. You are the guys. You can't barge in on yourself. You're part of the crew." And tell me where you're from. What state?
Washington State.
Washington State. And we met down here in Quartzsite though for the first time, right?
No, City of Rocks. I saw you, I waved, and then I started to run off because I was so shy, and I was just walking on air. I saw Debra. I said hi to Debra.
Yeah,
But that was your
and
KOKO Fest, the first one at City
That
of
was,
Rocks.
and you were walking by, but it was my site, and
Yes.
I went out. I remember now. I went out and we talked, and then and now look at you. You've got some dear friends
Yes,
that
I
you
do.
hang out with all
Yes,
the time.
I do.
And so kudos for being so brave.
Thanks.
All right, everybody. So this is Loretta. You will see her in the comments on my YouTube channel. She's been around a while, leaving comments, but I just now realized, because I asked her, that we just now met in person.
Yes.
She came to the QIA, and you bought every single one of my books. You blew me away.
The bundle.
The bundle, yes. And so thank you. But I feel like we've known each other a lot longer.
Soul Sisters.
So, sisters. So what state are you from?
Originally Michigan, but I left Florida.
Michigan, but you
August
left Florida
12th.
and came to Arizona.
Yes. I sold everything and went completely full-time August
Yeah.
12th of this year.
August 12th of this year. That's why you said you're a newbie.
I am.
Yeah, that's awesomeness. Congratulations.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
That's great.
Meeting a lot of great people.
Yes, it's wonderful out here, isn't it?
It
Yes,
is.
it is. So glad you're here.
Thank you.
Where do you want
There
me?
you go.
Okay.
Hi, everybody. This is Jeff. You guys know him on YouTube, in the comments and everything, as Gypsy Minstrels.
That's actually
Huh?
Gypsy Minstrels starting over.
Gypsy Minstrels starting over. Because are you okay with us sharing that you lost your wife?
Yeah. Mhm.
And so this is your first winter down here in Quartzsite.
Yes,
and,
it is.
and especially on your own.
Yeah.
That's not easy to do, but you're killing it. You're doing it. And I'm just so glad to meet you in person, because
Well, I'm glad to meet you too.
yeah, because you've been following me for a while, and I watch when he puts up videos. I watch his channel. Y'all be sure and check it out. And
It's
so,
not exciting.
but you know what? It's brave, and that's worth a lot. And so we're gonna stay in touch, and so you're gonna be seeing him around a lot more. And what state are you from?
Colorado.
Colorado, yeah.
Pretty much.
Yeah, but this warmth feels a lot better than that.
Oh,
doesn't
I've
it?
been a Southwestern boy all my life.
Yeah. So this is working for you.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Thank you. And thank you for saying hi to my viewers.
Well, hello viewers. This lady's been an inspiration to me, that's for sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm not even sure that this one needs an introduction, everybody. This is Box Van D. We go way back. Met the first time in not right at spring.
RTR.
Well, yeah,
Way
spring of
time.
2016.
Yeah, something.
Yeah,
Pretty
and
close.
yeah, pretty close to that. And
Long
so, and of
time.
course, she is good friends with Bob, and Bob was determined that we were going to meet. And then our paths just kind of went like that,
Yeah.
and we don't get to see each other very often.
Never enough.
Never enough.
I'm gonna plan on. I'm gonna shade that. I'm gonna shade.
We're working on it. We've been in touch, and I'm gonna go see her, but we'll figure it out, because we're not gonna lose touch with each other.
I'm so excited. I had to come see Debra today. Have to come.
She walked in the door, and I was like, I screamed, and like two people almost fell over. I felt bad. Cheryl grabbed the back of her chair and was like, "What's happening? What's happening?" So glad that you're here today, Dee.
Thank you, Debra.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Thank you for inviting me.
Absolutely.
Man, it means a lot to me.
Anytime, anywhere, you know that.
Yeah.
Okay. thank you. Rob, are you filming me, filming you?
Yes,
I'm shocked.
I'm filming you, filming me.
Oh, I see. So, whose channel does this go on?
I don't know. I'm confused.
All right, everybody, this is Kimmy. Y'all know her on YouTube as the Nifty Traveler, and this is her dog that Lisa had kidnapped.
This is Shadow.
And how long have you had Shadow?
I've had Shadow since June,
Since June.
and so we're still getting to know each other, but
Yeah, oh, that's awesomeness. It's very great company, isn't it?
it is. I'm still learning how to be a dog mom.
Yeah.
'Cause I hate to tell him no anything, but he needs to learn no a little better.
That's all right. It takes time, and you'll get there.
Yeah.
All right, glad you're here today. Thank you.
Thank you.
To do a camera.
That's all right.
Last but not least is my dear friend Tiff. What did I used to call you for?
Stephanie,
I used to call you Stephanie.
all the time.
We don't know why. I would just be like, "Hi, Stephanie," and she'd be like,
You got it now, though.
yeah.
got it now.
Tiffany and Lauren make up the Camper Tales. If y'all have not checked them out, you need to do that.
Oh, we're gonna make some more videos.
Yeah,
now.
that you do.
No, I know, I'm slacking.
Thanks for being here.
Yeah, it's fun.
Here's a baby. Here's a baby. Here's a baby.